concept is mastige. It's a public luxury goods strategy, so luxury goods shouldn't be exclusive to rich people only, but everyone should be able to use it. Instead, we thoroughly remove any price bubbles along the distribution chain, but the quality guarantees absolute quality. A quality that no other companies can follow. Also, the products are sold at absolute prices that no one else can sell at Atomy's prices. So, we're a company that sells a product with absolute quality at an absolute price. Atomy is trying to achieve an absolute goal in every respect. Absolute goal. A goal that no one else can go beyond. Atomy sets absolute goals for every goal. For example, I bought really good products cheaply from Colmar B&H through mass productions. But if there are additional costs arising within Atomy, then the overall product price has to go up. So, the cost must be minimalized when being distributed through Atomy. What would be the best thing to happen? It would have to be no cost at all, right? Turn every cost to zero. The goal is zero. In fact, it's human labor which is responsible for raising the costs. Human labor, so it's labor cost. So our goal is to create an unmanned company. Unmanned company. A company without anyone working inside it. So, am I going to fire every Atomy employee? They won't be fired. What I keep telling my employees is that work is not about continuously doing something. Real work is to get rid of work. Do you get this concept? So, don't just continue repeating the same process, but research ways to not do that work. For example, we need to tighten a screw. A screw. There is a person who tightens 10 screws per minute. Then someone else does it faster, 30 screws per minute. Then there's a professional, 1 screw per second, so 60 screws per minute. It's beyond human capacity to go any faster, but someone else does it faster. This person designed engineering plastics that fit well together, and screws are no longer needed. So, a person who gets rid of screw factories is the number one in tightening the screws. Is there someone who does it better or not? No, this is absolute goal. Absolute goal. Atomy is working to reach a goal where no one else can do better. So, we make our employees stop working. Make them stop repeating the same process and instead research ways to get rid of that process. So we tell our employees, get rid of what you're doing. Find ways to not do that work. Anyone who doesn't do this, I'll get rid of you first. As a result, the cost was extremely reduced. So, what we're doing now is preparing to expand out to Southeast Asian and South American market. The number of people who are working to create this new business are far more than who are managing the ongoing businesses. This isn't something computers can do, right? Let the people do the creative work, and any other regular routine jobs will be done by computers. So, the work itself will continue to be compressed and compressed and compressed. Which is how we'll work in the future. So the cost incurred by our company is compressed to 1/5 in some cases and 1/10 in some cases of general companies. It's called precise management. We are building a system where the cost is squeezed out and incurred to the minimal. So we can continue to sell you good products at a cheap price. Atomy is number one among the Korean companies. Actually, it's number one with 4 to 5 times more sales. We're moving forward with such a large gap. But some people say this: Atomy has fully grown, so it won't have any more opportunities. This is ridiculous. What I see is that we have only started. It's only natural that Atomy will be #1 in Korea in the future. It's unbelievable that we weren't #1 in the domestic market before. It's a given that we are #1 in the domestic market, and we plan to go further to dominate the global market. The reason why I'm managing this company is because we have good products at a cheaper price than an ordinary market, and a solid concept to establish unmanned company operating through precise management. Our goal isn't to become #1 among networking companies, but to become top in the whole distribution industry. So, we are selling products that people can't resist but to buy them. If we do this, Atomy will dominate the distribution industry. One of Atomy's management goals is to become a distribution hub. We'll control every part of distribution. So our goal is a bit simple and modest compared to what I want to achieve. Let's first make 75 million. Atomy's goal is 75 million. Even though the goal is 75 million, we don't think it'll be too difficult. Why? Customers who go to discount stores can come to us. The toothpaste is really cheap, right? This is a 200 gram of functional toothpaste, but it's only $2. People are going to discount stores because they don't know this. This toothpaste is much better and cheaper than functional toothpastes sold for $7 or $15 in pharmacies. Now, in the future, Atomy will not only deal with the products here. Atomy's original goal is to become a general shopping mall selling hundreds and thousands of various products. I established an online store that sold more than 100,000 products. You may wonder how you'll handle 100,000 products. You don't have to worry about that, as I'll be responsible for managing the products. You just have to buy these products. It's going to be much cheaper than any discount store. When I say that Atomy is going to dominate the global market, I'm not joking with you. You just have to do your business of informing others of Atomy products. I just want to tell you that Atomy's goal is to dominate the global market. So, it's just the beginning for Atomy. I wish every one of you here today will lead a successful life with Atomy, and I'll conclude my lecture. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
What an inspiring message from our chairman. And talagang salamat sa ating chairman, di ba? Because of him, we are able to enjoy absolute quality products with absolute prices, di ba? Sabi nga niya kanina, tinanggal na niya yung mga unnecessary price or cost bubbles. Yun po yung tinatawag na public luxury good strategy. Kaya po sabihin mo sa katabi mo, high quality ang products natin. I-check out mo na yan. Absolute and Hemohim. Palakpakan po natin ang ating chairman and of course ang ating company. Next up, we will be learning about some of our company's outstanding and absolute quality products. It is my pleasure to welcome our next speaker. So please join me in extending a warm welcome to our Centerhead and Diamond Master, Mr. Emmanuel Ruiz.
Hello po. Hello. Ayan. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Kamusta po kayo? I'm Diamond Master Emmanuel Ruiz from Silang Atom Eye Center. Yan. Alam niyo po, no, kaya ako kayo kinukumusta, napakaganda ng opportunity na ito dahil buhay pa tayo. Alam niyo po ba, may namamatay sa atin sa araw-araw. Yan po yung pag-aalala po natin. We're talking about yung ating mga products po dyan. Tatlo po ang pag-aaralan po natin, yung pong hemohim, vitamin C, at yung pong ating omega-3. Ayan po. So, when you open your website, ito po yung makikita po ninyo. Yung dati po, www.atomy.com/ph. Dati po yun. Ngayon po ay ph.atomy.com. Yan po. Okay? So, yung kanina nakita ko, yung 3+1 na hemohim, wala na pala. 10 minutes lang ata, ubus na. Parang gano'n, no? Hindi ata nakaabot yung iba. Sabi ko doon sa nag-o-order, siguro humina yung immune system mo. Bumagal. Kasi we're talking about the immune system, kasi yung natutulog, alam niyo po yung natutulog. Kasi katulad ngayon, ora de peligro. Diba? Minsan, masarap matulog sa tanghali, ano? Okay. So, ang ating product, of course, sinabi kanina, Mastige. High quality products, absolute quality products, pero mabibili mo in affordable price. Yeah? Yan ang pinapalakpakan sa Atomy. Global market eh. Diba? Sabi niya kanina, talagang lahat halos we are open in 27 countries na po ngayon and serving 80 countries more than. Ganun po yan si Atomy, okay? So, ano po ba itong hemohim? Isa food supplements po ito na kung saan yan, intake lang po natin. Kanina po, no? Kanina magginaw. Ngayon medyo uminit na. Inom lang po kayo ng hemohim. Sino pa ba hindi pa nakakainom ng hemohim? Yun, lahat nakainom na kasi wala nagtaas eh. Okay? This is a herbal extract. Ano po ba yung ginagawa nito sa atin? Kasi mahalaga, maintindihan natin yung trabaho nito, yung functions. Alam na natin na bumubuhay ito. Alam mo yung binubuhay. Maraming binubuhay. This is a functional products ng inilabas ang Atomy. Napakaganda po nito. Mamaya makikita nyo po, no? What is immunity? Ito po yung dapat nating malaman. Yung immune ka, dapat makikita mo yung coverage kung gaano kalawak yung immunity nito. Sabi dyan, yung immunity is the ability to recognize, resist viruses and bacteria. So yung mga pathogens, alam nyo po, nung pumunta po kayo dito, kung kayo po ay nag-commute, nalanghap nyo na yung mga alikabok, usok, pollution, yung mga free radicals, yan po ay nagpo-promote po para yung stress, yung oxidative, no? Magbuo yan ng mga sakit. So, along the way, kahit natutulog ka, pinapasok po tayo ng mga viruses. Di ba? Ng mga bacteria. Imaginein mo, natutulog ka, no? Ilang cells ang tatamaan sa'yo? Trillion cells. At araw-araw, namamatay ang tao. Sabi ni Pablo yun, wala pang technology ng ganun. Sa Biblia, sinabi niya yun. Ano yung namamatay? Di ba yung cells natin? Yan ang pangunahing target ng mga bakterya. Imagine mo kung tutulog-tulog ka. Ikaw nga, kung tutulog-tulog ka sa jeep, anong mangyayari? Baka manakawang ka. Cellphone, mawalan ka. Pag tingin mo, wala ka na. Bakit? Tutulog-tulog ka eh. Diba? Mahalaga, gising ka. Gising po ba kayo? Bakit kayo hindi nakakuha ng 3+1? Diba? Mahalaga yan eh. How do health functional foods, itong hemohim, boost our immune system? Di ba mahalagang tanong yan? Kasi we're talking about the system, yung kabuuan ng ating pagkatao. Pagka mahina nga di ba? Pagkatulog, di mahina. Ito, strengthening immune cells. Tapos sasabihin mo, ang mahal. Ngayon, magbo-bonus na eh. Di, bili kayo 1 box. Ano nyo naman yung sarili nyo? I-treat nyo naman. Sino gusto i-treat ang mga sarili? Kayo, pagka remand agad. Pakulay ng buhok. Meron tayong pakulay ng buhok. Huwag na kayong lalabas ng Atomy shopping mall. Diba? And of course, ito napakahalaga. Regulate their functions. Alam niyo yung regulate, iba yun eh. Marami mga batas ang ginawa pero hindi na-regulate. Diba? Ito may sariling functions. Hindi mo dapat uutusan. Bakit? Once na nabuhay yan, uminom ka ng hemohim, 2. Ba't 2? Dami mong kinain eh. Diba? Minsan, yung free radicals, iniinom, kinakain. Yung mga stress. Diba? Yung asawa ninyo, pagtingin mo, stress din minsan. Lalo na pagka walang dalang pera. Di ba? Ganon yun eh. Ibig sabihin, ang daming panggagalingan na pwedeng bumaba ang immune system. Kahit ikaw malakas, kahit bata ka pa, even the students. Bakit? Ang dami. Sino po ba rito yung hindi na nagsi-cellphone? Pakitaas. Parang wala. Tingnan ko nga po, baka mayroon pa. Bibigyan natin ni Hemuhim. Wala That is a rejection. Araw-araw yan Mga bata nakatingin lang. Kaya kita mo, kanina mayroon ako yung interview lang Tinanong ko lang Sabi niya, kako, ilan na ba yung ano mo yung salamin mo sa mata, yung grado? Sabi niya, 200. Anong grade mo na? Grade 12. Mas mataas pa sa'yo yan. Diba? Kaya, watch out. Ito'y napakagandang opportunity na binigay sa atin. And I believe, hindi lang ito ginamit ang atomy, pero ang Diyos ang nag-design nito. Tama? Tama po ba? Amen. Kasi wala namang ganitong klaseng function. Bubuhayin yung mga immune system mo, yung buong sistema. Alam niyo po, NK cells. Ano ba trabaho ng NK cells? Ayan, NK cells. Yung cell natin. Produce in the marrow that destroys harmful cells directly. Diretso. Di ba? Yung bantay mo sa subdivision ninyo minsan tutulog-tulog Tapos sasabihin lang homeowners, papapasukin. Ay, hindi mo alam, magnanakaw. Pero ito, hindi ka pwedeng pumasok dito. Bakit? Tatargeting ka niya. Bakit? Function to Hindi mo to uutusan. Hindi katulad ng katulong, uutusan mo. Konting utos, maglaba ka, maghugas ka ng plato. Ito, hindi. Diretso po ito. Pag may nakita siya, foreign bodies, tatamaan ka agad. I-destroy ka. Diba? Hindi ka kasama doon Doon sa good cells na pinuproduce nito Enhanced cytokine production. Yan, pinaparami niya yan. Yung signal ng transmission protein that plays a central role in the immune system. Hindi ito mangingiming patayin yung mga bacteria, mga pathogens. Bakit? Mayroon siyang signal of transmission. Pag nakita niya, na-detect niya, sigurado, patay ka. Diba? Papasok ka, eto. Kung minsan, pagka ang gwardiya mo, diba? Nakakapasok. Ito hindi. Functional. Diba? Yan ang ating produkto. Maintaining health. Ito yung enhance the immunity. Yung coverage niya, ini-enhance ka. Para kang, alam mo, naka-shield. Alam mo, yung battle, nakikita po kayo, from head to foot, mata lang ang nakakita, di ba? Kaya pag tinamaan, tinarget dyan, yan yung pinana, hindi basta tatamaan. Hindi basta manghihina. Tama? Ba't kayo hindi pa uminom? Sino po ba hindi pa uminom ng Hemuhim? Ano lasa ng Hemuhim? Kita nyo? Alam mo, huli Di ba? Kaya ito, importante itong pinag-uusapan natin. Increase the biodefense. Pag dumami yung kalaban, kasi dumadami yan. Akala nyo ba? Ang daming panggagalingan. Environmental pollutants, di ba? Yan yun Ang dami, mga chemicals, mga nalalanghap, naiinom natin. Naku, ang daming panggagalingan yan. Ngayon, yung depensa, pag humina, ano nangyayari? Nagkakasakit ka. Di ba? Pwede ka magkaroon ng kung ano-anong sakit. Pag pinasok ka, bubuo yan. Buti sana kung yung bukol benign. Alam niyo yung benign. O yung di ba? Kung malignant, mas matindi yun. Tama? Yung bukol, hindi naman magpapaalam sa iyan Papaalam pa sa iyan? Tutubo ko sa puwet ko Sa puwet mo O tinan niyo mga upo nyo ngayon. Malalaman natin kung sino may bukol sa puwet dyan. Diba? Diba? Hindi magpapaalam yan. At walang sinisino yan. Hay! Sharon Rose Master to. Huwag natin tutubuan to. Huwag. Hindi naman ganun yan. Walang pakialam kung sino yan Pero, pag may bantay ka, may depensa ka, pag maraming kalaban, darating sa'yo yan, ay, hindi ba basta-basta yan? Bakit? Tatawag yan, hindi pulis, kapulisyahan. Kaya pag may rally, may rally o ito ilalagay ko mga buong sandatahan, hukbok ng mga AFP, parang ganun, Pagka may mga kalaban, so hindi papasok. Bakit? May depensa nakabakod yung coverage, ang lawak, kanyang kagandang Hemuhim. Kaya pinapalakpakan po yan. Yan. Get enhanced immunity for a stronger and healthier life. Hemuhim. Ngayon, ilan ang iinumin mong hemuin? Napalunok ka. Ako, ilan? Kasi, itong December, malamang kung saan-saan ka pupunta. Di ba? Reunion ng kamag-anak mo, reunion ng asawa mo, reunion ng high school kayo, nung college ka, etc. Lahat ako, karami-rami pagkain dyan. Ang dami mo ma-accumulate. Yung pat sa liver, ang dami. And this is a functional. Hello? This is a functional herbal. Imagine niyo po, no? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng functional? Nagpapunction. Halimbawa, may problema ka sa puso. Ako, mga puso na yan, ano? Hindi yung love life mo, ha? Di ba? May problema ka sa puso. Yun ang functional to, eh. Yun ang tatargetin niya. May problema ka sa atay, may problema ka sa batos, kidney, etc. lahat. Yun ang target nito. Kaya nga ito i-enhance, eh. Di ba? I-enhance lahat. Kaya ang ganda nito talagang why we take Hemuhim. Yan nga po yung sinabi natin, ano? It's awaken the exhausted immunocytes. Marami, kasi ang Hemuhim po is target niya ng dugo. Kaya nga hemo, eh. Tama po ba, Doktor? Yan. Tapos yung iba, nakakapagtaka, nasa atomy na, umiinom ng Hemuhim, na-introducean ng, yung mga pampabata? Stem cell. Sa labas. Alam niyo po ba itong Hemuhim? Back up ito ng science. Di ba? Patented po ito for major countries in Europe at sa iba-iba pang panig ng mundo. This is a stem cell. Kung gusto nyong bumata, sino gusto bumata dito? Ang dami. Diba? Kung gusto nyong lumakas, walang sakit, na malubha, sipon lang, ubo lang, di ito na. Bakit ka naman mamimintana ka pa sa iba? Tama? Bakit? Gawa ng Kerry ito, eh. It took 8 years. 8 taon. Ginastusan, pinag-isipan, ang gagaling ng mga scientists natin. Diba? Tapos iisnabin mo lang ito. Ayan patented po yan ng MFDS. Alright? So, at yan po, salamat sa Diyos, ay nailabas yan sa atin lahat, sa public. Bakit? Atomy po yan, eh. Tama? It is absolute talaga. Ganap. Bakit naman itong Hemuhim, talaga namang ang ganda ng talab, ang ganda ng function. Ito po yan. This is a 3 major ingredients na nasa atomy. That is Angelica Dicas. Kung mayroong king of herb, ito po yung queen of herb. Meron niyang Linguisticum sinense. Ayan, magkakalakip yan, Ponia lactiflora. Ayan po ay para yung mga substance na yan with special immune functions. Alright? So, para saan? Regaluhan mo yung anak mo. Di ba? Bigyan mo ng baon. Tapos, laglagyan mo ng Hemuhim. Tingnan ko kung magustuhan. Di ba? Dapat nandyan yung mga anak natin kasi nag-aaral yan. Pagod yan. Pag-uwi, lapat, lang yung bag, tapo na, etc. Yan, bigyan natin yung anak natin. Mga empleyado na gusto mag-overtime, maganda po sa kanila yan. And of course, yung mga nanay, alam niyo yung mga nanay, doble-doble ang reklamo, trabaho. Reklamo tuloy, no? Ako na rito sa bahay, ako pa sa anak mo, tapos pagdating mo, etc. Di ba? Tapos, mangangalabit ka pa. Kita nyo? Yan ang hirap dyan, Sa mga seniors, itong pagtanggap nyo ng mga bonus, reguluhan nyo naman yung tatay nyo. Di ba? Malay nyo, may mga 3+1 na naman dyan, Alright? So, ito po ay patunay 4+. 4 o'clock. Okay. So, ito po yung mga testimony, Ito po ay kaibigan ng asawa ko, Nung uminom siya ng Hemuhim, this is the last week of October, na-confine niya. Nung na-confine niya, mayroon 300 na platelets count siya, So, ayan, hanggang huli, meron siyang 115 doon sa hindi niya pa iniinom yung hemuhim. Right after, naku, yung anak ko naka-confine. Saan? Etc. Nag-usap. Pinadala ng hemuhim. Nang uminom, tumaas from 115, naging 135, tapos naging 250. Magkapatid po yan, estudyante. Tapos ito naman, 125, 172, 125. Yan po yung wala pang, hindi pa nakakainom ng hemuhim. Tapos, right after nung uminom ng hemuhim, tumaas ang platelet counts niya, 150 at ngayon po ay 295. So, fit to work, pwede nang pumasok. Salamat sa Diyos kasi mayroong ganitong klaseng hemuhim na nakakatulong sa atin. Ito naman ay may allergy. So, nakita niyo yung swelling, yung pamamaga ng kanyang talukap mata, tapos ay nabigyan siya ng asawa ko rin ng hemuhim. Ayan po, maganda rin ang naging resulta para sa kanya. Alright, ito po yung pagpapatunay kasi ang maganda sa atin, meron tayong mga hanggang dulo nakikita natin yung testimony. Ano ba talaga? So, hindi tayo nagsasayang dito. Alright? Vitamin C. Sino na rito ang nakainom ng color food? Vitamin C ng Atomy. Yan. Alam niyo po, ang vitamin C, hindi po yan nagagawa ng ating katawan. Kailangan kumakain tayo ng 5 klase ng prutas at gulay. Lalo na yung mga anak ninyo. Yung mga anak ninyo, nakakakain pa ba ng 5 klaseng prutas at gulay? Sabi, anak, mahalang po, anong prutas ngayon? Kailangan, pagkalimbawa, para makuha natin yung kainin mo, tambak-tambak siguro, kasi 2,000 milligram, So, essential, bakit essential ang vitamin C? Hindi yan napoproduce ng ating katawan, kaya kailangan yan, kumain tayo ng masusustansyang gulay at prutas. Yan po yan. This is a phytochemicals na nakukuha sa mga plants. Ayan. So, ang dami po niyan, Napakaganda po nito kasi may mga health benefits po ito. This is a powerful antioxidants. Alam naman po natin ang antioxidants, Yan po yung parang pinakamagandang